I got branch codes here, right? So I don't want that. I don't want to memorize everything. So I'm going to take this branches here, the thing that we saw just now, and I'm going to take this and put it here, right in the middle, right? Okay, so date, month. Let me reduce the days, month, quarter, so that it won't be so bloated. Okay, and I get this. You guys get this? It is normal, actually. We get this because here there are no relationships yet. All right, so when we get this, you don't really have to click fix this straight away. You come here and see, hey, what's going on, which we are here now. So let's come to here. So this is the place where we do our data model. All right, I like you to locate your transaction record. So where is it? Is right here, right? This one. Okay, and I would like you to locate your what? This one. See this? Location by branch. This one. Location by branch. This one. Because we're gonna connect these two tables together. Okay, so let's go. Location by branch. Where is it? It's right here. So you can rearrange stuff when you're working, you know, if they get in the way. So this location by branch. The rest I'm just gonna put it away like that. Okay, these two, we're gonna connect this and this together. What to connect? We're gonna look for a common attribute to do. We have transaction records. Okay, we have product. These are product codes. If you recall, right, inside here we have a situation where our columns are not labeled correctly. We don't change them, but we know what's inside here. The title here is products, but what's inside here is actually product code. Remember that? And this one, branches, it is not branch names. What's inside here is actually branch codes. Branch codes, remember that? We want to be guided by the content of what's inside the column and not the title. Now sometimes when databases are designed, sometimes now the names of the column can be not consistent. So I don't want us to actually look at, oh, these branches is actually branch names. It's not like that. So we know that it's branch codes. All right, and here, over here, this is correct. This is branch code. So what we need to do now is to take this, click on this, right? Use your left mouse button, draw the line across to branch code. All right, very specific. Is to here, not to other columns. You get it wrong. So let go your mouse button. So it's processing, and then you get the line here. Okay, let me zoom out. Okay, I'm just going to do what? I'm just going to put it further apart. Okay, now we can see the line properly. Can get, guys? Okay, right? Guys, all right? If I hover my mouse over, I am going to see like, okay, what branch code is to related to branches. All right, and I'm going back to the visual here. So right now it's okay already. You see this? Just now you said fix it and all the stuff. Now it's okay already. So that, and the total is still 16 something million. Should be the same. All right. Okay. Ken, got this correct? Okay, go. Let's create another visual. Click on the blank empty space. I like you to create a matrix now. We're going to compare the difference between matrix and the table. Let's go. Now there it is. Now the second time we actually do it very fast. We're quite familiar with things. And I'm going to drag date here. The usual stuff is all collapsed. Okay, and I want to drag revenue here. Now keep your eye. If I'm dragging and dropping here, things are taking place right here as well. All right, you see the values here? That's been drag and drop. So you just be aware of where it's going, regardless of where you drag and drop, either here or here. Okay, columns here. It doesn't make sense for me to drag and drop columns. These are product codes here. You see all these product codes right here? What product is what? Don't know, right? We don't know. So I'm going to take this out, and let's go here and find where's our table for products. So product category, there looks like this one. This is category. How about product description? Hey, this product code, something that we don't want. How about products? We saw this before, right? This is category code. This is actually product code. Let's drag and drop this into here. See this? From here, you get this lighted up, you know. You get a tick showing that, hey, we are using this table. So all these are tables, all right. So you got a table, and then you got the headers listed under the table, okay, which I've drag and drop into here. Let me zoom out. So you got a tick mark showing you that it's being used, and you get this same fix it this thing, because there's no connection between this table. Wait, and this table and this table, no connection, nothing. So it's not working. All right, so let's go back to our data model here. Okay, see, this is the only connection here, and what's going on where is our product description. You guys got this? Can find this? This is the one. Can find. I'm going to data view now to look at this. So let's go to data view.
Hi, Vincent.
Yes.
Vincent, how do you move it, right?
Drag your mouse. Just drag your mouse. Yep. Does it work?
Yeah, okay. Got it.
I'm looking for product description. Click on this. Now this is that table just now. We got product code here. This title of this header is not terribly accurate. It says product very general, but actually it's product description. Again, be careful of things. Alright, and of course this category, it doesn't say it's category code, it's actually category code. So as usual, look at the first few rows of things and see what they are. Actually don't change this stuff. All right, don't change. All right, okay. So once citing this, let's get back to data model here. All right, I'm just approaching at how we do things if we are doing it for the first time, if we are new to the data. Okay, what to do? This guy here. All right, we're gonna connect this both this. Okay, we don't have many options here. Now this thing here, see this is product code, this is product code as well. So we're gonna draw a line actually across these two. Okay, so ready, you can draw from here to here or vice versa, it's the same. All right, so I'm just gonna click on this and draw, see this, and put it on product code. The relationship between the tables are joined by very specific column now, so you have to make sure you connect to the right column, guys. It's not by table, but it's by column. If you hover your mouse over to check, which you should, you're actually citing what you connected. I'm seeing products to product code. I like us to pay a good look to things here. You see this, we talk about this, right? I just want to re-notice this. Okay, you see this asterisk, it means many. This one means no duplicate. So this is a one to many relationship. If I click on this, right, it's saying that this one doesn't have duplicates, singular, and this has duplicates, and it holds true. Actually, we are selling stuff across branches, right? So branch codes are bound to be repeatable, right? Repeated, correct? Not is sales records, right? So this one is a listing of branch, branch records. It shouldn't be repeating, right? It's a listing of permanent items. It shouldn't have duplicates, right? Let's take a look at this. Location by branch. You see this? It's a listing of branch codes. Shouldn't repeat very permanent data. Unless there's change, then we update stuff here. Okay, see this? Shouldn't repeat. So it's actually reflected in this. Okay, see, one to many. All right. Let me pull up my notepad here. This relationship, right? Okay, is actually known as cardinality. Oh, big word there. So I'm gonna spell it out. It's all in your notes, guys. Wrong spelling. Cardinality. Okay, there are three types of cardinality. Okay, so we saw that, right? One to many. Okay, there's also many to one. It's kind of the same lah, but it's kind of reversed lah. So many to one. You can see many to one somewhere. Let me see, do we have it here? Many to one, not yet. I think it's all one to many. not yet. It's all one to many. One to many. You see this direction, this two thingy is one to many. Okay, so alright, not yet, not finished yet, because this model is not finished yet. And you also have one to one. Okay, one to one, which means that the behavior is such that, oh, there are no repeats in the two columns, so it's one to one. In fact, there's a fourth one, which is not used and not supposed to be used. Alright, cardinality, fourth one, many to many. It doesn't make sense to use. Imagine many to many, right? This branch code, many, you know, that means you got duplicates, you know, all repeated stuff. And then you hear duplicate, you know. So which one to join to which? You can't. It's confusing, right? Correct. It doesn't make sense to do that. Okay? Alright?